Okay, boys and girls, so I wanted to show you how I would explain what I want you to do for this project when you go to answer this question. I want you to explain what type of visual element you used. So if this were my example, if I had read The World's Longest Caves, it says caves are known to be dark, deep, and sometimes spooky, but some caves are also known for being especially long. So I'm just looking at that detail, that first sentence right there. If you look, and I want to scroll down to look at this graph, that's the visual element that I'm using. So I would identify that my visual element is the graph. So I would say I used the visual element of a graph, and it helped me to understand this better by showing me the comparison of how long some of the caves were compared to others. And I can see from looking at this graph that the Mammoth Cave in Brownsville, Kentucky in the United States, I can see that from the United States flag, is the longest cave in the world because it shows how long it is compared to the other caves on this graph. And that supports my learning, that contributes to my learning when I go back up to this very first sentence, that caves can also be very long. And I would put that in my sentence that I am explaining when it says describe for how it helped me to understand the text about the caves. So I have to explain how it helped me understand that. So make sure that you include that, and you can explain that to me in your recording as well.